Build your dream home and create an equestrian estate on this premier, Jupiter Farms site. A private, stocked, 2-acre lake enhances the feel of ranch-style living here on this property that awaits a manor home with pool, stables and a barn. In addition to a private lake, these rolling 9.6 acres back to a canal on the posterior portion of the estate. Well located, Jupiter Farms offer its residents the privilege of an equestrian lifestyle, within minutes of I-95, the Florida Turnpike and the beaches of the Atlantic. Local amenities include numerous trails for hiking, horseback riding and picnicking along the Loxahatchee River, a plethora of restaurants and prime shopping. The schools of Jupiter Farms are A-rated from elementary to high. The address of the property as listed is the address from the property tax records, however the actual physical address will allow entry from 100